Hi guys! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng buffalo wings and blue cheese dressing. Tara na! Simulan na natin! So, ito yung mga sangkap na gagamitin natin for breading. Flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika powder. Mix all together. And then, ito yung chicken wings natin. Imimix natin sa ating breading. For frying. So, ito na siya. Ready to fry na. Make sure na medium heat lang ang ating mantika para hindi siya masunog. So, while waiting sa ating chicken, magpe-prepare tayo ng buffalo wings sauce. So, ayan, magme-melt tayo ng butter. After ma-melt ng butter, mag-next tayo ng honey. And then, make sure naka-turn off na yung ating heat. Then, i-next na natin ang ating buffalo wing sauce. So, imimix lang natin siya together and then set aside. Then, prepare natin ang ating blue cheese dressing. First, blue cheese. Sour cream. Milk. Mayo. Pepper, and salt. Mix all together, set aside, and then ito na yung ating chicken wings. Ready na to for coating. So, ayan na ating sauce. Yan, mix lang natin together at ito na siya. Buffalo wings with blue cheese dressing. Enjoy! Sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button for more videos and updates. Thank you! Bye!